Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidutronics. So from today onwards we are going to start Arduino tutorials for beginners. So here in the first video tutorial I will show you how can we blink an LED using Arduino Uno. We will just blink one LED which is inbuilt in this Arduino Uno, which is connected to 13th pin of our Arduino Uno. First of all, what is Arduino Uno? Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P microcontroller. Atmega 328 is a AVR based microcontroller, and in AVR, Atmega is the family of AVR. So we have microcontroller of Atmel, which is Atmega 328P, and now it is part of Microchip. So we can say the vendor of Atmega 328P is Microchip now. And Arduino board has 14 digital input output pins. As you can see here, these are 6 PWM pins, and here these pins are there, some more till 13, so total 14 digital input output pins are there. And here in this case 6 analog pins are also there, so that we can connect any analog sensor module to these analog pins, like temperature sensor or DHT11 or any other sensor, something like alcohol based MQ based sensors. So all these sensors we can connect to these analog pins, which gives analog values. And here any digital push button or any digital pin based sensors we can connect it also. So this is the Arduino Uno. Here one ceramic one crystal is also there, so of 16 megahertz. Okay, so we will go to our Arduino IDE and we will show you how we can blink an LED using Arduino Uno. So here is our Arduino Uno, and here if we'll go to the file, and if we'll go to the examples, here we have basics, and here in this section blink is there. So here this blink is open. Now here in Arduino we have two parts of any in any for any sensor or any devices you are going to program this through Arduino Uno. You will see these two parts, basically these two things are there. One is void setup and another is void loop. These two are the format for Arduino programming. And in the setup part we have the things which we only need to run only once, and in the loop part which we need to run endlessly, those parts we will write in loop part, and which we need to set up for only once, with that part we need to write on setup part. So here you can see in the example section blink, this is the blink sketch. In blink sketch you can see we have the setup part, and in the setup part we have declared one function we are calling, and that is pin mode function LED built-in comma output. So these are the two arguments of pin mode function, and inbuilt LED is 13, so I will write directly 13th pin number here. So we want that pin as an output, so pin mode will tell to the compiler that we want that pin as an input or output. If we want to connect any push button or any sensor to this 13th pin or any pin, so we will write here, instead of output we will write here input, like this. But here in this case LED will work as an output device, so definitely we will write here output. So this will be output. So 13th pin is we want to set up this 13th pin as an output, so and we only need to initialize this thing once, so that's why we are writing pin mode 13 comma output. It means 13th pin we are making as an output. This is the setup part. We have finished setup part. Now in the loop part, again we have one function we are calling, that is digital write. In digital write we are saying LED built in, which is 13th pin. Again I will say, so directly I will write 13th pin, and here again digital write has two arguments. One is the pin number itself and another is high or low. So here I want to make it blink, so first I will make it LED. I will make that LED switch on. So for switching on the LED, I'll make pass the high argument. So that's why digital write 13 comma high we have passed. Then delay, which is again inbuilt function, and it has only one argument, and this 1000 is number, this integer is in milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds means 1 seconds. So we are saying that controller will not do anything for 1 second. So Arduino Uno will stop working for 1 second here, and LED will glow for 1 second in this case, because a controller will not do anything for 1 second. And after that, again when 1 second will complete, digital write, again we are making the same function we are calling, and we are saying LED built in 13 comma low. So we are making it blink. So that's why first we are passing high arguments, and second case we are passing low arguments. So it will switch off the LED. So again the same way delay will put delay of 1 second. It means again controller will not do anything for 1 second. So this way this will work endlessly, and this 13th pin will first switch on, and then for 1 second delay, and again digital write 13 low means like it will switch off the LED, and again it will wait for 1 second. So this way endlessly it will work, and this way it will look like that LED is blinking for 1 second of each interval. So this way this basic sets snippet will work. So okay, let's upload this code to our device. So let me connect my Arduino Uno. So here I am connecting my Arduino Uno. So here we go, we have connected our Arduino Uno. Now I will just go to the tools, port number COM4 which is selected. Now I will just compile first. Compiling is done. Now I'll upload this. So it's uploading to the board. So we will get the message done uploading. So here we go, we have seen this message done uploading. It means it is downloaded to our Arduino microcontroller board. So okay, let's move to the device and see how it is working. So here we can see that LED is blinking for 1 second each, means like 1 second LED is switching on, and 1 second delay and switching off, and again 1 second delay. So what will we do now? We will move to the code again, and we will make 2 seconds. We will hold LED, means like LED will be switch on for 2 seconds, and LED will be switch off for 1 second. We will do that thing. Okay, so let's move to the code. Okay, so we will here in the code, and now I'll just make it not 2 seconds, I'll make it 3 seconds for switching on and 1 second for switching off. So for 3 seconds our controller will do nothing here, and so in this way it will hold this value. It means LED will be switched on for 3 seconds, and then again it will go to the digital write 13 comma low. It means LED will be switched off, and once for 1 second it will be switched off. So I'll upload this code now. So it's compiling, and we'll get the done uploading message. Here we go, we will get the done uploading message. Now again we will see the board. So here you can see for 3 seconds it's switching on, and for 1 second it is just turning off. So this way it is working. I hope you like this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial we will show you how we can blink an external LED in any pin of our Arduino Uno. So we will connect one LED to breadboard with one resistance, so that way we will see how it works. So till then, thank you guys, thank you very much.